Hey Rev Heads, how you guys doing today? So I'm doing a quick update on a product that we got. Big shout out to KillerGlass. Thank you for the t-shirt as well. So if you guys have never heard of KillerGlass, I actually never heard of them either until someone posted it on Facebook group saying, hey, has anyone done this? So I looked at it and then I started doing research. They shared a link, started looking it up, thought it was pretty cool. Something that we could do to the Mustang. So they gave a t-shirt, some LEDs, it looks like, some tape here, and the KillerGlass. Alright, let's get to it. So check it out, guys. This is KillerGlass, and so it's basically just for a cool effect. You guys can watch your engine coolant. So this would go at a spot where you're not going to have much flexing going on with your engine coolant hose line. So you would replace a hose line with this, preferably somewhere straight with a, not much flex going on. So it would go through here, so you would actually be able to see your engine coolant going through here, and the LEDs would shine and just make it look really cool. So they gave some decals, instructions. These are actually clamps, so from looking from the inside it almost looked like some kind of electrical tape from inside, but these are actually clamps that they supply as well. So they show you guys how to do everything, and it's pretty cool. I'll try and put a link in the video description where you guys can get this, but it's gonna look pretty cool on the Mustang. Obviously right now, yeah, we're not installing it. I wonder why. So we'll probably do that come spring. Yeah, we'll probably do that around the springtime. Alright guys, oh by the way, because I know I'm going to get some people, this is designed for extreme heat. This KillerGlass has been around for a long time, and it's designed for extreme heat. The only problem that I've seen people have is installing this at the wrong place where there's a lot of flexing going on. Then I've seen people complain, but when they show their install location, it's pretty clear. So as long as you're installing it at a smart place, ain't no issue. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Just another mod update.